Okay, good morning. So at this time, we will tackle about or we will discuss about solving geometric problems by first degree equations. So a while ago, we had been discussing about different problems on investment. So we will proceed now to geometric problems. So we have here the first example. The length of a rectangle exceeds twice its width by 3. If the perimeter is 19 inches, find the dimensions of the rectangle. So talking about the dimensions of the rectangle, it is referring to the length and the width. So we have here, but before actually we can solve this problem, so if the problem can be represented using figure, so we will do it now so that we could easily identify or we could easily figure out the problem by using the figure. No? So what is being asked in the problem is the dimensions, meaning you are asked to find the length and the width. Remember always actually, or remember also the formula for the perimeter. So the perimeter actually for the rectangle is just equal to 2L plus 2W, meaning 2 times width plus 2 times length. Okay? So we have here, in this problem, we will have to draw first the figure referring to the rectangle that is being described. No? So accordingly, the length of the rectangle is twice its width. No? So this is the rectangle of light. This is what we call as the width. Okay, and this is now the length. Accordingly, the length is twice its width by 3. So of course, we can represent the width as equal to x because we don't know about this quantity or the measure of W. Okay? While the length is equal to twice man, no? Twice the width by 3. So 2x plus 3. So at this point or at this time, we can now use the formula of the perimeter. Okay? 2 times length plus 2 times W is equal to, okay, we have here perimeter. Okay? 2L plus 2W. Provided that our P in the problem is 19 inches. Okay? 19 inches. So our L is 2x plus 3. So we have here 2 times 2x plus 3 plus 2 times the width is x is equal to P, which is 90. Okay? If you wonder why 2L and 2W, remember, this figure, if this one is the rectangle, okay, it has two width and 2 length. So we have 2L plus 2W. Actually, it is just the sum of the sides. Now, talking about perimeter. 2 times 2x is 4x. Then 2 times 3 is, we have here 6 plus 2 times x is 2x is equal to 90. After that, combining like terms, 4x plus 2x is 6x is equal to 90. From positive, it will become negative 6. Or we have here 6x is equal to, ilang ni we have 80, we have 84. Next, we can now divide both sides by 6 now. So we have here 84 or x now is equal to ilaman. We have 6x divided 6 is equal to 84 divided 6. So ilan yung answer? The answer is x now is equal to 14. Okay, x now is equal to 14. So we already have the value of W, which is 14. So the answer are, okay, the answer is the width is equal to 14 inches and, okay, the length is equal to what? 2 times the value of x, which is 14. Then we have plus 3. So it will become 28 plus 3. Length now is equal to 31 inches. Okay, so that is how to answer problems related to geometric problem. So I will give you another example for this type of problem. Okay, we have here the example number 2. So if one side of a square is increased by 4 inches and adjacent side is decreased by 2 inches, okay, a rectangle is formed. Okay, whose area is equal to that of the square. Find the measure of the side of the square. So remember always the relationship between the square and the rectangle based on the problem. No? In the first part, we have the square. No? We have the square, but in the other part of the problem, okay, one of the side of the square is being increased no, by 4 inches, meaning the plus sign of 4, while the adjacent side is being subtracted by 2 inches. When we subtract, and the other side is we add on some of the quantity, then rectangle has been formed. Wherein the area of the square or the area of the rectangle that has been formed is equal to that of the area of the square. Okay, so we are supposed to identify the measure of the side of a square. So before that, we will have to represent this problem using a figure. So first, we will have to draw a square. Okay, let me say this one is a square. Okay, a square, remember always, it has equal sides, no? X, X, and X. Okay, while the rectangle, accordingly, it is increased by 4. So, tasan na po siya. Okay, ispan siya kasi naman. So, we have here, it is increased by 4 inches and decreased by 2 inches. Okay, so the other side is increased by 4, x plus 4, and the adjacent side we have here decreased by 2, x minus 2. And the area is equal to that of the square. Okay, remember the area for a square, in here the area is equal to A is equal to what? X times x, or that is equal to x squared. The area. While the second one, the area of a rectangle, let me see this one, A1, A2, that is equal to, we have the product between x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 4. Then, to solve for the side of the square, okay, we will have to equate A1 is equal to A2. We have A1 is equal to x squared. And for A2, we have x minus 2, okay, x minus 2 times x plus 4. Then we have to simplify x squared now is equal to x times x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Okay, negative 2. 4 times, we have also here 4 times x is plus 4x. We have negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Okay? Then after that, combining like terms, we have here x squared. We have here, or that is equal to x squared. Negative 2x and 4x is, we have 2x. Okay, positive 2x minus 8. Then combining like terms again, we have here x squared. From positive to become negative, x squared minus 2x is equal to negative 8. Okay? After that, okay, x squared minus x squared is 0. So the remaining from the left hand side is we have here negative 2x. And in the right hand side we have negative 8. So dividing both sides by negative 2, negative 8 divided by negative 2, x now is equal to positive 4. Therefore, the answer is, okay, the side of the square is equal to 4 inches. Okay? So, what possible, yung side area is equal to 4 inches. Actually, we can check our solution, but of course, this example is very clear. Okay? Remember always the relation between the two, no? Based on the legal statement. Okay? So you can check this answer by using the same form or the same formula, or you just get the area of the square and the area of the rectangle. Then you have to compare. If they are equal, therefore our answer is correct. Okay? So I hope that this video will help you, particularly if you have problems related to geometric problems, which is solvable using the first degree equations.